Hello guys, today
we're opening my egg, Ryan's World mystery egg.
Wow.
And we're going to be playing with kinetic sand
And this with
model magic clay.
And with dinosaurs and caterpillar and what's this again? Oh yeah, my favorite dinosaur, bunny dinosaur. Actually, and there's a fish. My favorite.
Okay, what do you want to open first?
Maybe
This one? Okay, let's open it. Let me just...
Can I see it closer? So it says build it gas. So we're gonna build gas.
Yeah. I hope it's not Gus. I hope it's Ryan, my favorite mystery play day people.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How we can open it? Oh, there it is.
It's so soft.
So soft, really? Oh my gosh, it's too chunky. Too chunky, actually.
Model magic clay is so buttery
And squishy and slimy.
So which one you gonna make?
Maybe my favorite animal, dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Yeah, a dinosaur like this one, bunny dinosaur.
A bunny dinosaur?
a bunny dinosaur.
Papa can put my finger in it to make a little teeny tiny hole for their little teeny tiny head.
Guys, look, I didn't stretch it. I do one hole, another hole. So it looks like this, and then we squish it, and it looks like a chubby face.
Okay,
The little smile.
first a face,
Okay, now this one.
and then
Guys, be careful. This will make a mess, so you gotta be careful. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
now what?
Oh, so much.
So cool, connected. So much connected. Oh, God.
It's right-handed. Because you're left-handed, it's not working for you.
Cut!
I need you to cut. That's easy.
Oh, Tata, you
Am I the only left-handed person in our family?
Oh my God, it feels so soft.
Oh.
Got them out. Oh my God.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my god.
It's so
Oh my
soft.
God.
Touch it, guys. Touch it, guys.
And it's so
Are
shiny.
they gonna touch it through the screen?
Touch it, guys.
They're
Touch
touching
it.
it. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I can
It
see
melts. It like melts.
do a prank on you guys when you put the shoes in the sand.
So you guys can make this shape,
Oh yeah.
and then we can cut it.
Oh.
Yeah. You wanna do the other half of the egg?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we need a knife. Be careful, guys. With the knives, they're sharp. and they can cut you. Okay.
Right, guys, be safe in your house, but don't magic their knife will cut you and you will be mad.
He will be mad. Okay.
Now it's squishy, squishy, ga, ga, ga,
Are
ga.
you ready? Shh, shh.
Wow, the inside looks so cool. Guys, look at the inside. Let's take it out. Now let's take it out.
How do you make it? Okay, cut it, cut it.
Wow. I can cut it myself. Wow, it's just question I never do before.
Guys, whenever I'm bored, I'm gonna play with this. Because it's just like so soft and satisfying.
Now let's squish it. Oh my gosh, so thin. I think we can do print.
What was that?
That was the
Okay, guys. So we have a bunch of Play-Doh shapes. So now,
like guys, look at when I do
look,
this.
we have a ruler. Oh, we have a squishy.
Sprinkle sand party.
No. Okay, get one.
It's messy.
Yeah, it's
Way
really
too messy.
Wait, we can do a cat. Like this is a cat, guys. Like I found cat. Look, I found a cat.
You did? Wow.
Oh, that's such a good kitty. Good kitty. Stay right there. I want cat because I picked the cat. Oh, guys, I found something else. Oh, and a bottle. Look what I found. Oh, I need this. To roll it up. Oh my gosh. Need to load it up. Load it up.
I don't know what this is. So I'm going to see what it is. When I mold it out.
But that's a cow, Tata.
It's a cow.
Yeah, I hope it's a cow.
You hope it's a cow.
Yeah, my favorite cow is away.
So this is the animal I made. I can't lift it up because if not it's gonna break. But this is the animal. I don't know if it's a cow because Danielle says it's a cow. I think it's a horse.
But it's a cow still.
Yep. Here it goes.
Yeah, a cow. Cow, really a cow.
Cow, really a cow. So funny.
We can put sand under clay.
You're gonna put sand on the clay?
Yeah.
Not a lot, okay? I'm gonna mix it now.
I can mix it by myself. Well, I need a little bit now, so this is a little bit.
Okay, guys, so look. See how it melts? You know what we can do? We can like get like cups and we could put the sand in it and then make like a little castle.
So you don't have any shape there that you can use to make a castle?
No.
Well, you can put some sand on
Guys,
and
look,
play.
I made a heart.
Mix it. How do I mix it? How do you think my new volcano?
Wow.
Guys, it's
You made a volcano?
That's my volcano. I tried to make it pink, but I don't want it white. I want pink. So I'm gonna take all this surface. Look at this. I'm gonna. First, you have to put it, and then
Yesterday was so hot here in
the
Canada,
surface.
and today it's so cold
No.
because the weather changes. Okay, so you're making that one, and then you can make another one. Make it wider. Now you're gonna stretch all the clay out. You're gonna put this on here. Oh.
Then you open it up, guys. Look at how I open it up. Ta-da! I made a cat. Tata, don't ruin it, okay?
That's a kitty?
Yeah, my kitty only. And she's so cute. I think I'm gonna kiss her.
You're gonna kiss her?
Yeah. But then I am gonna kiss her.
Mm-hmm.
I am gonna pretend she's giving me a kiss.
I need more.
Little kitty, you're so cute. Hey, that's my sand, Tata.
Wait, I'm making something.
I'm making something. Okay. But how over my sand? I think I'm gonna ruin my little kitty. Well, I like kitty, but I'm just good. Oh no, I ruined her. Well, it's okay. I can fix that with little.
Okay, guys, look. This is so satisfying. So you see how there's a lot? I just cut it all off. So then it's a flat layer.
Can I have more of these? Oh my, oh my, oh my.
And now we pat it. And we make it into the best shape ever. And now we make a little hole in the top.
Guys, look at this one. First you just shake it, and then, guys, you shake it, and then take all the surface, and then open it up. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
It's like cutting it up.
What is that?
It's like cat and kind of upside down, you know. And it looks like a different animal.
What does it look like?
It looks like a elephant ass. Now we have to ruin it.
So if you shake it, look how shiny. We went to Walmart and we picked out like these things, and there was normal pink kinetic sand or shiny. And I picked
Or magic clay with sand in it, actually.
And I picked the shiny one to see how it looked.
But that was me first.
Do you know like the LOL pets that come in that like little container thing?
Yeah.
It has kinetic sand, and this is what the kinetic sand looks like. I was about to say it feels like, and then I'm like, every kinetic sand feels the same.
That doesn't look like Gus.
Yeah, not yet. Mommy's trying. Step by step. Okay.
Okay, guys. So we have Gus's feet, his stomach, his little tummy, and his arms.
Well, Gus is
What?
really big.
Gus is big.
Yeah, like. Give me the surprise paper. It's right here. So Gus is that big with him tummy, guys. Look, guys, that's him tummy with the big tummy.
Okay, so this is Gus so far.
Well, you have to do Gus's.
Can we see your
big.
castle?
Well, you have to. Tata, you have to do Gus big
Okay.
tummy. Tata, you have to. Tata.
We'll see it now, Daniela. Okay?
Tata,
This is what we have so far.
Wow. I think I'm gonna dump it all in.
No, that's for my castle.
Tata's making a castle.
I want to dump it in.
But I'm making a castle.
That was the cup. Oh my
Oh,
gosh, I made.
wow, that's so cute, Daniela.
Yeah, I just made a castle.
Okay.
This.
Not yet. I just need to
Look
put
at
a little.
this, guys, when I do this.
Peekaboo!
It's really
Okay, ready? Here comes the.
Hey, guys!
The other way.
Papa, I was playing.
Yes.
Why did you hide my bottle?
Because now it's a mystery. Now you have to find your bottle. Okay, find it.
Yeah. Down. I found something. It's my bottle.
Guys, you know what we can do? We could do like a little mystery thing.
Now it's hide my toy.
So we just wait. So we just
my rubber band, but it's just a pony.
wait. So we just hide things like
This.
cool could like grab eggs and put surprises in them, and then hide them in kinetic sand, and then we
Just
try and find it.
find it.
Is that a good idea for a
Yeah.
video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's put kinetic sand on Bobby. Let's put it on Mommy.
No.
Yeah.
Put it on me.
Okay. On your hair, actually.
No.
No, just kidding.
That is not a good idea.
Just put it on here.
Not a good idea. Then you're gonna have to wash your hair.
Look, I just put on your hair. Let's put more.
Look, ready? So you're gonna grab a ball,
Yeah.
just put it on my head. Grab another ball, put it on my head.
Oh, yeah.
Now put it on my head.
You look so funny. That was big ass. Yeah.
Do I have any more?
No. Wait, there's something in it. Oh, just this. Let's hide
What's
it.
your favorite colors?
Pink.
What else?
Blue.
What else?
Red.
Blue, red, and blue. Blue, red, and blue.
Now you can do it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, ara tu baba.
I'm gonna make a cake.
Mine is
Whoa!
good.
It looks so good.
Yeah, that's what we have so far.
Now you're
Make
gonna
his
make a head.
tummy in
Okay.
halves.
Guys, my castle's looking good, not melted.
Like this.
Guys, look at this magic quick. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I'm gonna make a
So-
cake, guys.
This is coming good, so it's not melting. I guess it don't have any more.
So we're making a castle here and a cake here.
Yeah, a castle and a cake. So mine
what
is
animal you gonna put in your castle?
maybe I would do a star because star needs some eyes.
So you can
So
use
I will put it right here.
So you're gonna make a star.
Yeah, because
Wow.
it needs
You have to be
eyes.
careful, okay?
Okay.
Don't squish it.
I have to squish it, silly,
Yeah, but it's gonna break.
but I don't want this one.
Okay, so you're making a star now.
First, we need to paddle it up.
Okay. Whoa. This is so much. Okay. So you're just gonna eat.
Yeah.
You
Now,
struggling? You sound like you're struggling.
now we do stars. So now it's
Okay, so now I need like a knife. or
surface
something.
out. Gotta take it on the
Where's
surface.
your knife?
I don't know. Where did it go? Where did? Yeah, it's like marbled.
Marble icing.
It's like icing and fondant mixed together.
Guys, I'm doing a line. Guys, look at that.
What's the
cat
name of-
and the dog. I want to put that on
That
cat
movie?
and dog.
What's the name of the SpongeBob friend? The star.
The star.
Patrick?
Patrick?
I think I could call her Joviba.
Yo Viva.
Jovi.
I mean Jubilee.
Jubilee.
She makes funny names.
Well, I like to say my friend Jubilee.
Jubilee.
But look at her face. It's small because I need a big one, or we can just make.
Okay, guys, so this is my beautiful cake. This is what it looks like. I love it.
Wow.
God, I'm making a butterfly.
Is it
Guys,
beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
guys, come. I'm going to do a
Guys,
butterfly.
come.
First, it's gonna go. 3, 2, 1. Let's take all the surface out.
See, that's a nice butterfly.
So cool. I think it's melting. I think we need to ruin it.
No, it's okay.
I like to ruin it.
Okay, so you want to make another one?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so I'm doing the number 10 because on my birthday I'm turning 10.
So
And my
you're
birthday-
turning 10 already?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm turning 10 already. Wow. Time
Oh
goes
my gosh.
flying by.
That's so cool.
Yesterday I was literally born. Yesterday I was born. Wait, give me. I wanna. Just to make a circle.
This or this?
This.
The green tea?
The green thing.
Well, this one, this is the one. Nope, not this one. Well, what is this against?
What is this again?
Maybe it's the people or something, or things.
So this is what we have so far. Working on this piece.
And just take all the surface and do.
How do you make this thing? A circle?
Yeah,
Like
circle.
that?
Okay, guys, so this is my cake. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna put ears on it and make like a cat maybe or a dog. I don't know. Daniela's talking. But this is my cake, and now I'm gonna cut into it.
Boy, good. Oh, yeah.
Whoa! 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 You're in a close one, little heaters. You gotta watch out for these things. Whoa! The Rolling Stones!
Come on,
Watch
Doug.
out! The Rolling Stones might get you!
Sorry.
Gentle, Daniela. Show your friends.
Be gentle.
See, you
Yum.
can
I'm gonna eat you guys.
Say bye, guys, with the guys.
Bye, guys. I want some gummy. Can you bring me some gummy, please? Thanks, you. I'm gonna eat that right.
This could be his gummy.
Yum, gummies.
Here, gummy.
I'm yummy. Yum. Oh no. I'm broken.
Gus head. We fix it and keep falling down, huh?
Yeah.
We had
keep
to-
broken. Okay,
We're making gummies for Gus.
Okay. I'm so hungry. Gummies, yay. But I'm not done. I have to wait. I think.